So guys, the stock market is filled with interesting stories and jargon, and here is one of the fascinating ones. A scared bear is the biggest bull. Now, what does it mean? Well, a bull is someone who expects the prices to go up, and a bear is someone who expects the prices to go down, right? So a bullish trader makes money by buying the stock, whereas a bearish trader makes money by shorting the stock. Now, if you understand the concept of shorting, you know that shorting or short selling carries a much higher risk than buying, right? So in other words, for making the same amount of money, a bearish trader takes a much higher risk than a bullish trader. And here is where the vulnerability of the bearish trader lies. When bearish traders short a stock or index, they expect the stock to fall down rather quickly because they don't want to be exposed to a big risk for a long period of time. But if that doesn't happen and the stock starts to go up instead, the bears start to get nervous. And any further up move on the stock can turn the nervous bear into a scared bear, and in that frame of mind, they are forced to cover their short positions. And when enough scared bears cover their short positions by buying the stocks back, the stock shoots up rather quickly, and this is called short covering rally. So basically what is happening is that the bearish traders who originally expected the stock to fall unwillingly move the stock prices high, in fact much higher than any bullish trader would have imagined. And that is why it is said that the scared bear is the biggest bull. So the next time you see a bear running for cover, have sympathy for the poor guy because he has lost the battle and he is now forced to fight for the other team.